Hello everyone. Welcome to GCSE Computer Science Pseudo-code AQA series. Today we're going to explore something you already know, arithmetic operators. Wait, don't worry, it's not hard. In fact, you've been using arithmetic operators every day without realizing it. So how many of you ever shared snacks with your friends? What happened when you buy 3 pack of pencils and a pack of 5 pencils? And each pack has 5 pencils. Have you ever seen a shop discount like 20% off and try to calculate the new prices? You have just used addition, multiplication, and division. Yeah, it's a basic simple math like this: plus, minus, multiplication, and division, and mod. So let's begin. Uh, as you know, you need to go and create a project in your Edu block and name as arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operations. Yeah, create a block. So this will land here. Recently, as we learned already, you have a comment. Comment doesn't execute the code. So then I'm going to add another comment, which is just print. So what we're going to do is we will learn. So welcome to the Magic Potion shop. Let's do some math. So we're learning some magic way, like you have potions, you have spells, and you have dragon eggs and some enchanted creatures. So let's do addition and subtraction. For example, I have potions. Potions equals, let me go out. So potion is my variable, and I have potions of 5 plus 3. So I already have 5, but I'm going to add plus 3. So let's see what the output of this potion is by printing out potion. So when I run this, the potion is 8, which is good. So let me say the potion is some typo. Yeah, we need to close in a single. Oh no, we need to do plus. I suggest we need to do comma. Yeah, the portion is 8. Great. So what I did simply is 5 plus. I already had 5 portions. I added 3 to it, which become 8. So voila, you already learned plus arithmetic operator of programming. Let's move to subtraction. Now let's do subtraction. So we'll do subtraction on spell book. So the logic here is if you buy 40 spell book, which is £1 each, uh, which will cost you £40, but when you spend £40, you'll get £10 discount. So how much you need to pay? So let's do that. Discount price equals to I'm paying £40, but if you pay 40, £10 is minus. So that's your discount that's your discount on spell books. So let's print this out. Print total books, comma, discount price. If I run this, look at this, £30. I spent 40, but because minusing 10 gave me £30. So you know the subtractions is straightforward. Plus sign for addition, minus for subtraction. Let's move to multiplication. Let's do multiplication in terms of dragon eggs. So multiplication, and let's do multiplication. So I have 4 eggs, each cost 7 gold. So let's see how much is the total. So I have 4 egg, each cost 7 golds. So I need to know how many golds do I need to pay to buy eggs. So these are dragon eggs. That is easy. 4 times 7. So 4 times 7 stored the value in the dragon eggs. Let's print how much is the dragon egg. So it's basic math, what you've been using in your cost of dragon eggs equals to dragon eggs. So if I run this, look at this. So the dragon eggs cost me 28. It's because 4 times 7 is 28. Now, let's do division. So splitting 40 goals between 3 wizards. So we have 60 goals in total. So divisions. So we have 60 gold, but uh, split among 3 wizards. So how do you use it? It's a simple math. What you need to do is uh, wizards. So how much each wizard will get gold. So that means gold equals to, we have 60 divided by 3. That's it. And now print uh, each will get gold, comma, gold. So if I run this, there it goes. Each will get 20 golds because 60 divided by 3 is 20 golds. Well done. Let's move on to modulus, leftover items. So as you know, like plus, minus, multiplication, division, there is also something called modulus, which is mod. I can comment this out. So we need to know how much leftover cookies or leftover items, leftover items or cookies. Excuse my typo. Okay. So leftover cookies equals to, just imagine I have 10 cookies and shared among 3 wizards. So 10 cookies shared among 3 wizards. So now we need to know how much is the leftover after sharing. So what you need to do is 10, this is modular by 3. And then let's print leftover cookies. Print leftover cookies. Leftover cookies is not defined. Yeah, I know that. Because my leftover cookies is this one. Typo here. Leftover. And run. Look at that. Leftover is 1. Because I had 10 and I shared among 3 wizard each. So the leftover is 1. So 3, 3, 3, 9. Leftover is 1. Straightforward. So now it's a basic operators: plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulo are the most common used in your programming language. So this is basic math. Let's move on to another last part, which is order of operations. So in your pseudocode, it's the same way: 5 plus 3. As you can see, you have your int expression, division, and int expression. If you want to divide, 9 divide 5. If you want to add, a plus b and b plus c, similar as what we did here. So the last part is order of operations, which is called, we follow the bit math. So this is very common bit math rule. So for example, magic power is equals to, multiplication happens after. So for example, if I have 5 magic power and then I would like to 3 times 2. So what do you think, which order will happen first? So in here, in this example, the multiplication happens first. To change the order, so to correct it the power, what you need to do is first do 5 plus 3 in the bracket and then times 2. So here what we're trying to do is using brackets to change order. So now let's print these 2 values. So look at this, the magic power and corrected power. So let's see what is the magic power gets, and without the bracket and with the bracket. Magic power, spell typo, MAO, yeah. MAGIC. Correct. So look at that. The magic power without bracket give me 11. Magic power with bracket give me 16, which is what we're looking for. So this is where you have full control. Using bracket, which one do you want to apply the multiplication or addition first? So that's a wrap on arithmetic operations. Thanks for watching. I hope you're feeling more confident with your pseudocode skill. Next time we will dive into relation operation and learn how to compare value and create even more powerful program. Don't miss it. If you enjoyed this session, give a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Until then, happy coding and keep being awesome. See you next time.